In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make MetaTrader 5 Dark Mode PC. If you spend long hours looking at charts, switching to a darker interface can reduce eye strain and make everything easier to read, especially at night. There are two simple ways to do this, and which one you use depends on the version of MetaTrader 5 you have installed. First, let's start with the built-in dark theme available in newer versions of MT5. Open MetaTrader 5 and look at the top menu bar. Click on View. In that menu, look for Interface or Theme. Select Dark. That's it. On updated versions, this instantly applies a full dark theme across the entire platform, including charts, panels, and menus. It's a quick, one-time switch, and everything immediately takes on a cohesive dark appearance that's comfortable and professional. If you don't see a theme option under View, don't worry. You can still create a great dark experience manually, and this works on any version of MT5. Start with any open chart. Right-click directly on the chart and choose Properties, or press F8 as a shortcut. In the Properties window, go to the Colors tab. Set the background to black so your chart base is truly dark. Set the foreground to white so your price scale, time axis, and key labels remain clearly visible. For the grid, choose a dark gray if you like subtle guidance lines, or turn the grid off entirely if you prefer a cleaner look. For the candles, pick colors that make sense for you at a glance, such as green for bullish and red for bearish. The goal is strong contrast without glare. Once your chart looks the way you want, save this as a reusable template so you don't have to redo it each time. Right-click on the chart again, go to Template, and choose Save Template. Give it a clear name like dark.tpl. From now on, you can apply this same look to other charts quickly from the template menu, keeping your workspace consistent across symbols and timeframes. Here's the key difference to remember. Older versions of MT5 only allow you to darken charts, not the surrounding menus and panels. Newer versions support full dark mode across the entire platform. If you can't find the dark theme option under View, consider updating MetaTrader 5 so you get that complete unified dark interface. That's all you need to create a comfortable dark mode setup in MT5. Customize the colors to your preference, save your template, and enjoy a cleaner, easier on the eyes trading environment.